adding integers. When you go to add negative numbers, it's important that you understand how to do it properly so you get the correct answer. So in adding integers, let's take a minute and open our notebook and put this in our notebook. If the integers have the same sign, then add the numbers and keep the sign. So if you're adding two positive numbers, add the numbers and keep them positive. If you're adding two negative numbers, add the numbers and keep them negative. Now remember, positive numbers, if you're looking like this 9, are not going to have an extra positive sign. They're just not going to have a negative sign in front of them. If the integers have different signs, then subtract the numbers and use the sign of the bigger number. So if you look here, you have negative 13 plus 5. And since there's no negative here, we know this 5 is positive. So we are adding different signs. So when you add different signs, then you subtract the number. So 13 minus 5 is 8. And then keep the number the bigger sign. So 13 is larger than 5, so we're going to have negative 8. If I owe you $13 and I pay you $5, I'm still going to owe you $8. Okay, you're probably not going to be lucky enough just to let me off. You're going to say that you want your $8. So I'm still in a hole, I'm still negative. I still owe $8. Over here, we have negative 20 plus negative 5. Okay, so come up here, we have the same sign. We have a negative and a negative. So you add the numbers together. So we take 20 plus 5, 25, and we keep the sign. Okay, down here, we have negative 9 plus 9. So we have a negative and a positive. So we have different signs. So we subtract the number. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Now this is tricky because 0 is neither negative or positive. 0 is always 0. Okay, so you're not going to, there's no bigger number here, so you can't put the sign of a larger number. But since they are the exact same number and the answer is 0, 0 is neither negative or positive. Okay, over here we have 5 plus negative 3. So we're adding different signs. I have a positive number and I have a negative number. So different signs, I need to subtract them. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And the 5 is a larger number and it's positive, so it's positive 2. If I owe you $3 and I give you 5 and tell you to keep the change, you're ahead $2. So those are our notes on adding integers.